I'm going to show you 2 really fast and easy claw clip hairstyles that are perfect for your thin, fine hair.
For this first style, we are going to be creating a bun, and we're going to be securing it with a claw clip because that is so much less damaging than using a hair tie. So I'm going to twist my ponytail into a little twist and then twist it around itself, leaving the tail at the bottom. You're going to use a small claw clip and you're going to clip at the bottom. You want to make sure you grab the tail, a chunk of the bun at the bottom, and you want to make sure you grab the hair against your head so it doesn't all fall out. Then you can pull it apart as loose as you want. The looser you make it, the more messy and soft it's going to look, which is how I like it. And it is just such a pretty, effortless, updo style bun that is damage free because you've used a claw clip. And I really love this one. It's absolutely a go-to of mine. With this next one, you're going to start by actually tying your hair into a ponytail. I'm going to use a hair tie that matches my hair color. You could also use a clear one. You can also clip the claw clip over top of the ponytail to hide it. I'm not going to do that here. I'm going to clip below, leaving the tail out and the ponytail above with the little bun. I'm going to pull it apart, and don't forget you want to leave that tail out. If you have longer hair, you're going to have more to play with here, but if you don't have a lot like me, you're just going to have to work with those little bitty ends, separate it into 2, and you're going to clip it back into the one side. And now here you're going to see I fumble and I start to actually do the style even though it did not get stuck in. But that's because I just want you to see that you just have to get used to feeling your hair and feeling that you've put it where you want to. And you can see here I'm discovering those pieces did not get clipped into the teeth, and I try again, doesn't work. So I'm going to try a 3rd time. And that's when I get it. So don't give up just because something doesn't work out right away. And then you're just going to kind of pull those pieces apart, pull the top of the bun apart. And again, you could clip the clip over top of the hair tie to hide it. But just in case you don't, I wanted you to see it doesn't look that bad if you've left it out. It's still a really cute style. And it is another go-to messy style of mine.
I hope that helps. I hope that gives you 2 really quick and easy but pretty fun hairstyles that you can try out on your thin, fine hair, or really on any hair, because these will absolutely work if you have thick hair, curly hair. It doesn't matter. They will work. You just might need a bigger claw clip. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I do post 3 every week and every single day on my shorts. And like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Leave me a comment because I love to hear from you guys. Bye, guys.